Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into fixing white balance inside the Camera Raw plugin. Most people jump straight into the color panel, sliding temperature and tint until things look right. Others grab the Eyedropper tool, click around the image, and hope to nail the perfect balance. But here's the trick. That eyedropper isn't just for picking a single point. You can actually select a whole area, your subject, or even the background. It works like a mini selection tool, taking the average color and giving you a clean, neutral white balance. From there, all you need is a tiny tweak on temperature and tint, and boom, you've got the exact tone you want. This tip might not feel essential today, but trust me, one day it's gonna save you big time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, save it for later, ring that bell, and of course, subscribe for more Photoshop tricks. Stay tuned, the next video's coming soon.